Hello students, welcome in our third session of the lesson The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom, and I hope you are well, right? You are home. Okay, so that let's begin this session. This is a question and answer session, students. We have seen before the whole lesson, what kind of that lesson is and what happened with the couple and the dog, what that happened with the cruel couple also. Okay, so let's begin the questions. Question number one: why did the neighbors kill the dog? The answer is the dog did not guide the neighbors to the treasure, so they killed the dog in extreme anger. He didn't guide them to the treasure, and therefore, in extreme anger, they killed the dog. Question number two: make the right item, means you have to choose the correct option for the given question. The old farmer and his wife loved the dog. Look at that options, because it helped them in their day-to-day work as if it was their own baby, as they were kind to all living beings. So the probable answer is as if it was their own baby, they loved the dog. Okay, so look at that second one. When the old couple become rich, they dot they gave the dog better food, invited their greedy neighbors to a feast, live comfortably, and were generous toward their poor neighbors. And the probable answer is live comfortably and were generous toward their poor neighbors. Okay, students, look at that next one. The greedy couple borrowed the mill and the mortar to make tartar. What was the what was they borrowed the mill for? To make the pastry and bean sauce, magic cash to win rewards, or a pile of gold? The greedy couple borrowed the mill and the mortar to make the pile of gold. Okay, look at that questions on the page number 63. Answer the following questions. Question number one: the old farmer is kind, isn't he? Yes, he is. What evidence of his kindness you find in the two paragraphs? Yes, the old farmer is kind person. He has a pet dog. Having no children, he loves it as if it were his own son. The old couple used to feed him with the tidbits of fish from their own chopsticks. Okay, then look at that question number two. What did the dog do to lead the farmer to the hidden gold? What did the dog do to lead the farmer to the hidden gold? Answer: the dog tried to take him to some spot. The dog tried to take him to some spot. He kept on running for some minutes. The old man followed his pet dog. At one place, the dog started scratching the earth. The old man dug the earth and found a pile of gold of gleaming before him. Okay, like that, that dog lead the farmer to find out the hidden gold. Question number three: how did the spirit of the dog help farmer first? How did the spirit of the dog help the farmer first? The dog spirit asked his master to cut down the pine tree over his grave to make mortar for his rice pastry and a mill for a bean sauce. The old couple made the dough ready for baking. As soon as he started pouring it, it turned into a heap of gold coins. Like that, the dog helped the farmer first. Okay? Then, next question: how did it help him next? How did it help him next? At the second time, how did he help? The dog spirit told his master how the wicked neighbors had burned the mill and from the pine tree. How they burned the mill made from pine tree. He suggested him to take the ash and sprinkle it on the withered trees. It would make tree bloom. Okay, right. So like this, dog helped his master second time. Question number four: why did the daimyo reward the farmer but punish his neighbor for the same act? Okay, I will tell you. Look at that. The old farmer scattered a pinch of ashes over the tree. It burst into bloom, or you can say that tree blossomed. The daimyo was pleased daimyo was pleased to see and ordered some reward of silk clothes, cake, etc. to the farmer. But on the other hand, the greedy neighbor sprinkled a handful of ashes. The wind blew it, and straight went to the eyes of Damius and his wife. He got angry. He ordered to punish the wicked man to death. Okay, and therefore, like this, Damio reward the farmer but punish the neighbor. Okay, just look at that next. The ashes that made trees bloom, and the page number 64. Question number 1. Read the following conversation. Ravi. Ravi said that, what are you doing? Mridu said, I am reading a book. Ravi said, who wrote it? And Mridu said, Ruskin Bond. Ravi said, where did you find it? Mridu replied, in the library. Notice that, students, what, who, where are question words. Questions that require information begin with the question words. Some other question words are when, why, where, which, and how, etc. So remember the things. Whenever you want to ask the question, you should use the question words. Look at that. What, ask about the action and things. The word what, ask about the action and things, etc. Then word who, ask about the people. The word who, ask about the people. Means whenever you want to ask about the people, you should use who. Then look at that next word which ask about people or things. Which, whenever you want to ask about the people or things, you may use which word to make the question. Then where is the word which is used to ask about the place. Okay, and when is used to ask about time, you know that. And why is ask about a reason or purpose. Whenever you want to ask about the reason or purpose, you should use why. And how, ask about means, manner, and degree. Okay, so that whose, it ask about the possessions. Many of times we told our friend and many our elder ones about our positions. So whenever we want to ask about other people's position, you should use whose, right? Okay, look at that next thing. Read the following paragraph and frame the question on the italics phrase. Anil is in school, so let's read the first para. Anil is in school. I'm in school too. Anil is sitting in the left row. He is reading a book. Anil's friend is sitting in the second row. He is sharpening his pencil. The teacher is writing on the blackboard. Children are writing in their copybooks. Some children are looking out of their window. Okay, so this is the paragraph given in your book also. So possible questions are, you can make that questions like this only. Where is Anil? So you may got the answer. Anil is in school. Where is Anil sitting? Anil is sitting in the left row. Like that you will get that answer also. Then what is he doing? So here what is used to ask about the thing. So he was reading the book. And where is Anil's friend sitting? In the second row. Then what is the Anil's friend doing? Who is writing on the blackboard? And what are the some children doing? Like this you can make various kind of questions from this passage. Okay students, question number 2, write appropriate question words in the blank space in the following dialogue. Okay, write the appropriate question words in the blank space. So let's see. Dot dot, did you get this book? And look at that reply of Sheila. Neha asked to Sheila, dot dot, did you get this book? Then Sheila replied, yesterday morning. So when did you get this book? So when is the probable question word, you may use it. Okay, so again Neha, dot dot, is your sister crying? Sheila replied, because she had lost her doll. So the probable question word is, why is your sister crying? Then Neha again, whose room is this? Yours or hers? Sheila replied, it's ours. So it is whose shows the position. Then Nita, how do you go to school? Okay, Nishila replied with, we walk to school, it is nearby. Like that you can use the words, question words in the blanks. Then look at that, fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Okay, the words given in the box are how, what, when, where, which. My friend lost his chemistry book. Now he doesn't know what to do and where to look for it. So what and where are the probable question words. Then there are so many toys in the shop. Nina or Nita you can say can't decide which one to buy. So which, okay, which is the word used here. Uh, you can see it. You don't know the way to my school. Ask the policeman dot dot to get there. You don't know. If you want to ask about the place, you can use how. So how to get there is the correct answer. Then you should decide soon dot dot to start building your house. If you want to know about the time and about the future, ask to if you want to ask about the future time, you can also ask like this only. You should decide soon when to start the building your house. So when is the probable answer. Then do you know how to ride the bicycle? Do you know how to ride the bicycle? I don't remember dot dot and dot dot and I learned it. Do you know how to ride the bicycle? I don't remember when and how I learned it. Okay, like that. You should know dot dot to talk, dot dot to keep your mouth shut, the teacher advised Anil. You should know where to talk and when to keep your mouth shut, the teacher's advice Anil. Like that you can fill the blanks. Then question number 4, add I am or in to each of the following words and use them in place of italicized words in the sentence given below. Okay, okay, then look at that. The first sentence, the project appears very difficult at first sight, but it can be completed if we work very hard. So we have to use um, im or in before the word. So the project appears very difficult, it means impossible. The project appears very difficult, it means impossible at first sight, and you can complete the other remaining part, but it can be completed if we work very hard, like this only. Okay, then he lacks competence, and that's why he can't keep any job for more than a year. So the answer is he is incompetent, and that's why he can't keep any job for more than a year. Look at that third one. Don't lose patience. Your letter will come one day, the postman told me. Don't be impatient. The opposite of patient is impatient. Don't be impatient. Your letter will come one day. Then that's not a proper remark to make under the circumstances. That's not a, that's an improper remark. The proper word, its opposite of by adding am is improper. So that's improper remark to make. Oftenly students, we use this to make assertive sentence from the negative sentence. We must know the opposite words of the given words. Okay, so it is used to make the sentence from negative to positive or positive to assert negative, sorry. He appears to be without sensitivity. In fact, he is very emotional. He appears to be insensitive. In fact, he is very emotional, like this. Okay, look at that next question. Read the following sentence. It was a cold morning and stars still glowed in the sky. An old man was walking along the road. The road in italics are article a and an, and identify the article. The is the definite article. A is used before a singular countable noun and is used before a word that begins with a vowel. So here we have to use the articles, and I think you should know about it, how to use the articles. A is used before the singular countable noun and A is used before the word begins with a vowel sound, and an is used before the other words, like you can say an is used before the word begins with the vowel, and A is used before the other words. Okay, then look at that. There was once a play which become a very successful and famous. So here play it begins with a uh, the word play, and therefore there is, we can use it. Oh, okay, and look at that next again. In a blank you can fill with the a. In a play his role was that of an aristocrat, because a aristocrat, it begins with the vowel sound aristocrat, and then who had been imprisoned in the castle for the 20 years. The castle is the singular, you can say, noun, and therefore we use the. In the last act of the play, someone would come on a stage with a letter which he would hand over to the prisoner. Even though the aristocrat was not expected to read the letter at each performance, he always insisted that the letter be written out from the beginning to end. Like that you can use the blanks, you can fill the blank by using articles. So encircle the correct article in the last question. Nina was looking for dot dot. After many interviews she got job she was looking for. Look at that, Nina was looking for the job, looking for the job, and after many interviews she got a job, she got a job. Okay, and would you like an apple or a banana? I would like an apple, please. Then take the red one in the fruit bowl. Okay, you may take an orange also if you like. So like this you can use article. We will discuss the articles in our separate grammar part, right students? So thank you for hearing all these questions and answers. Thank you. Bye bye, take care.